Right then guys, now this is a very quick microphone comparison against the DJI Mic 3, which is DJI's newest microphone. And we're also put it against the DJI Mic Mini. Now please excuse all of this, we are having home improvements done and this is a very quick video. Just a sound comparison really, so please excuse the visuals. Now let's crack on. So we are firstly on the DJI Mic 3, so testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now the camera that I have this on is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Now as you guys already know, this is all done by Bluetooth, so this would be quite good to hear how good the Bluetooth is between these two microphones while going to something like the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So let's have a quick silence test on the Mic 3. Now, was there any background noise or floor noise or anything like that? Let me know in the comments if there was. Now let's move on to the DJI Mic Mini. Right then, I'm actually jumping straight in here regarding the first video with the DJI Mic 3. Now, I don't know if you guys already heard, but there's a lot of interference going on while it's connecting to the Ace Pro 2 via Bluetooth. Lots of noise in the background. If you shove a pair of headphones on, you will hear it very, very clearly like I did. Now, this is one thing that I don't think that the Mic Mini does. Anyway, let's dive onto the Mic Minis now and let's see how they sound. Right then guys, you are now listening to the DJI Mic Mini. So once again, this is a sound comparison with the DJI Mic Mini to the newest DJI microphone member, which is the Mic 3. So what does this sound like? So testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, and let's have a bit of a silence to see what the background floor noise is like. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now how do these two microphones sound like in comparison to each other? Is the Mic 3 any better? Now bear in mind, both cameras have been, the decibels have been upped to a +6 in both microphones, or within the settings of the actual camera itself. So let me know in the comments below what you think. If they sound similar, if it's actually worth you going out to buy the Mic 3 to use on something like the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Let me know in the comments and that'd be fantastic. And I think this comparison is now over. Right then, now after hearing the Mic Minis, the DJI Mic Mini that is, I personally think they sound a lot cleaner, a lot better, and there's none of that noise in the background. Now, I do understand that the DJI Mic 3 is a brand new microphone system, and yes, there will be updates to improve it. But if you think about it, the overall cost of the DJI Mic 3, which is this guy here that I'm using, which by the way, I'm using with the receiver. As you can hear, the quality is far, far, far more superior. Anyhow, where was I? Yes, the DJI Mini is definitely a lot better in sound quality, especially when you use it with the Ace Pro 2. I will be bringing out a proper review with the Mic 3, along with a proper review with the DJI Mini. And I've also got the Hollyland Lark Max 2 to do as well. So anyway guys, until then, I will see you then. Do not forget to like and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more content going up. Once again, this was just a very, very quick video. Just to let the guys out there, or the people out there, know what to expect if they've got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and they're thinking that the DJI Mic 3 is going to be more superior to the DJI Mic Mini. It isn't. Stick with the Mic Mini for the meantime until improvements come with the DJI Mic 3, and I'll let you know as soon as they sound better than these DJI Mic Minis. And yeah, we're going to love you and leave you. I'll catch you soon. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, please.